Come test drive the 1999 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, wheel covers, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, cruise control, power outlet, child safety locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.